my name is Dave Walters from Alcoa Wheel Products. I'm the manager of warranty and field service. Today I'd like to talk about DuraFlange. DuraFlange is a carbon tungsten coating that we put on the edge of the wheel to make sure that it doesn't get rim flange wear. Rim flange wear has been around ever since the onslaught of radial tires in the industry, which is now the only tire in the industry. But the tire flexes up over and starts to wear down this piece of the wheel. Years ago, Alcoa came up with a great invention to basically harden this flange so you don't get rim flange wear, which is again, time and money, no maintenance. And when you put this on here, Alcoa warranties this coating for 2 years. You'll absolutely not get any warranty or any wear for 2 years. And so it's again saving you. If you're in a heavy hauling, more liquid hauling, stuff like that is more prevalent. You get more flex on the tire, you get more rim flange wear. So again, Alcoa came up with this great idea to put DuraFlange on the outer things to solve another maintenance issue.